President Emmerson Mnangagwa has urged ZANU-PF leaders to maintain unity, discipline and strategic focus as the ruling party enters a decisive political and economic period ahead of 2026. He made the remarks during their 389th Politburo session at the final party meeting of 2025. The president began by paying tribute to the late Archbishop Paul Mwazha, describing him as a spiritual icon whose recent declaration as a national hero reflected his national contribution and moral leadership. Reviewing the year's political and economic milestones, President Mnangagwa said unity within ZANU-PF and across the nation had enabled Zimbabwe to withstand multiple challenges while achieving progress in key sectors. He highlighted the successful completion of the National Development Strategy 1 (NDS-1) and the launch of NDS-2, calling both frameworks people-driven achievements shaped by collective efforts. He also noted that the 22nd National People's Conference had strengthened the party cohesion and directly influenced the crafting of the 2026 national budget, ensuring alignment between policy development and national priorities. Mnangagwa urged the party's mobilization and communication structures to fully align with NDS-2, saying effective messaging and grassroots engagement would be central to accelerating economic growth and improving citizens' quality of life. He praised the recent strategic workshops for the Politburo and Central Committee, saying they helped recalibrate leadership roles in a rapidly changing political and technological landscape. With global shifts redefining governance, the president called on ZANU-PF to adapt to modern issues such as ICT's digital transformation and artificial intelligence while preserving liberation values, discipline and national identity. He reported continued economic growth driven by agriculture, mining, manufacturing, tourism, construction, infrastructure development and diaspora remittances. On the diplomatic front, Mnangagwa commended Zimbabwe's strengthened engagement with Zambia and Mozambique through binational commission frameworks, saying the collaborations were enhancing regional cooperation, integration and shared prosperity. However, he also warned the party to remain vigilant against counter-revolutionaries who may seek to destabilize the nation's progress. The president said upcoming meetings of the Central Committee and National Consultative Assembly would complete the annual party cycle as ZANU-PF prepares for a busy 2026 political season. Thank you for watching the Red Corner Media. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share.